Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the forex market. Today was a bank holiday in the States. Happy MLK Day to everybody. So the dollar index, there was no movement, but the dollar pairs did make some interesting moves, and we'll take a look at it right now. First, we'll take a look at GBP USD, pound dollar. And as you can see, it's been making those lower highs, but recently the buyers have stepped back in and started pushing the price back up. This was a reaction to CPI news where sellers stepped back in and created this downward pressure, but wasn't able to break this lower low. So we'll map out the range that we're still in. This is still the strong high, lower high, which would make this bullish. It has GBP USD has stepped back into premium and reacted off of this area of supply. But right now, still trading sideways. And it's the weaker of the of these pairs. When we take a look at the other ones, wouldn't really be looking for any trading setups because this was a lot of buying pressure. And now we are in premium, has reacted, but I'd wait to see a reaction to either further up here, this area of supply, or up here. But depending on what the other dollar pairs do, we'll see if the buyers have stepped back in. And it's time to take and start looking for buys. So here's your USD. So it did still in a bullish range where this is the lower high and this is the last low. So we'll map out the range. But today it has retraced back up toward that lower high, that strong lower high, made bullish momentum well into premium, and it reacted to this high of this supply zone. So we're waiting to see if there will be a retracement, to see if there's a way to get in and capitalize on any buys further, any retracement down and up further, to see if the buyers have really stepped back in, and if this is a bullish, where on the 4-hour chart, if the bulls have stepped back in. And this is AUD USD. Some situation. A lot of pairs moved today. It's a lower high that formed a low. We'll map out the range. This is in premium now. And this also reacted to this area of supply and formed these wicks. So it is in premium. Not necessarily looking for a sell due to this impulse and these impulse bullish waves. So waiting to see if there is a pullback, to see if there's an opportunity to take a buy so we can continue to the upside. It looks like this is a reversal pattern. It was sideways, manipulation, and initiation. Or if you're studying Wyckoff, this will be the selling climax, secondary test, and this will be the spring. So waiting to see if it is for a pullback opportunity to take buy trade to the upside. NZD USD still similar. This was sideways. This is a lower high from here that formed this lower low. So that's the range we're dealing with. We'll map out the range. This also pulled up back into an area of supply, reacted from it with these wicks. This will be the area of supply, this buy before the sell. Reacted from it with these wicks, but not looking for any sales, even though we're in premium. I'm not seeing a trade setup due to these impulsive bullish moves. This was a reaction from CPI news last week, and all it did was make this corrective bearish structure, but it wasn't able to push down past these lows. So looked like the bears were getting weak, and this was the catalyst today with the bank holiday made these pairs be extremely bullish. So we'll see if there's a pullback, just like with the other pairs. See if there's the opportunity to take another buy, to take a buy. GBP AUD. These didn't react. Well, it's not a dollar pair, so this is GBP AUD. This has been making those lower highs. It's been an area of consolidation at the lows. So we'll map out the range. Looking for this to make a significant pull back into premium and continue to sell back further. up here, maybe this area of supply, and continue try to look for a sell to make it take a sell past these lows. There is no indication of any bullish strength to break out past this lower high. And GBP NZD, similar situation, lower lows, lower highs. This is the last lower high that broke the low. So we'll map out the range. I said yesterday that this is also consolidating at the bottom, and the bulls weren't stepping back in. This is looking corrective, and I was saying that this could looking like it was forming a bull flag, and it could break out at any moment. Waiting to see if this bull flag could go further up into premium, maybe tap into this area of supply. Well, it did tap into that area of supply. Let's see. But I was just expecting it to go further into, yeah, it wicked out of the area of supply. Expecting it to go further into premium, so it's a better probability of a trade if it went up here to this area of supply. But as you can see, the bear flag did play out. It broke out of the channel and it continued down. Didn't push back to lows, but this would have been an opportunity once you saw the bearish momentum break out of the channel in order to take that sell. So right now, I'm just looking to see any response, maybe to form a W pattern to continue upward, but there is no indication that there's any buying pressure in order to move this further. But also, these bears weren't strong enough to push it past this low, so it could be forming a double bottom or any type of momentum shift. I'll be looking to see if there's a trade to be made. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you.